Let me tell you something. Whenever you share a folder, you know which specific folder that you are sharing, or file, or video, or anything that you are sharing. You know it. Do you know that Windows does share the whole drive, drive E and drive F by default, and that is how easy or a big advantage for the hackers to access the whole partition, a whole drive E and F. Let me show you what I really mean. First, control panel, administrative tools, and then computer management, shared folders. And then inside the shared folders, you'll click this share, and you can see that I've shared this sample video, pictures, and these videos. Now you can see here drive C, drive E, and drive F are being shared by the Windows by default. Now that's very risky. Anybody can access this drive. If anybody can access this drive, means anybody can do anything. Even with this video and pictures, they are all a part of drive F. So if they want to access this, even I don't give an access to some specific people, those specific people can just directly access this drive F and can access everything inside this. So how to access this? Let me show you. Type run, and then let me show you from the beginning. This is for everybody. This video is for everybody, so hope you don't mind starting from the beginning. See, in here in this run, and then type 192. This is the IP address of this computer, and then type drive F $. Use this $. Here it is done. You are accessing the whole drive. Now if you want to access drive C, here we are. You're accessing the whole drive C drive. And this is very risky. So as by default Windows is sharing it, so we have to use this stop sharing. Yeah, I want to stop sharing E drive because I never wanted to. And then again stop sharing F drive, and then again stop sharing. Now your computer is a bit safe. Now nobody can access your drive C here, or nobody can access your drive E or F. They can only access the specific folders that you are mentioning, such as this one, sample pictures. They can only access this. So I hope after seeing this video you have checked your computers about this, and as soon as possible fix this issue. And apart from this, I'm going to show you something here in this sessions, and whatever a file sharing session is going on, you can see. And then open files. If somebody is sharing your files, everything will be showed up here, sessions and open files. Hope this video is very helpful or any helpful. And thank you very much for your patience for watching this video, and have a great day.